Today we are going to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. If you look at the area model above, we have the number 3 1/4. How we got that is because we have one whole here, one whole here, one whole here, and 1/4 here. So if we add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1/4, we'll get 3 1/4. Now the question is, let's change this actually to a pizza problem. Let's say we have 3 1/4 pieces of pizza left. Well, we know that each pizza is split into 4 equal parts. And we also know that we can find equivalent fractions by multiplying by the number 1. Well, we know that the first pizza is in 4 different parts, so that will be our denominator. And we have 4 pieces. So 4/4 we have for the first pizza. For the second pizza, we have the same amount. We have 4 pieces that are cut into 4 equal parts. Same with the third pizza. In the last pizza, we have only 1 out of the 4 pieces left. Well, now we also know that if we have common denominators, our denominator stays the same, and we can add straight across. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1, and that would be 13. So now we know that we have 13 1/4 pieces of pizza left, and we could arrange them in a way that makes 3 whole pizzas and 1/4 left. Now you may be asking yourself, well, is there a shortcut? And you are correct. If you remember, repeated addition is also another way of saying multiplication. If I have 4 3 times, I could also say, I could also do 3 times 4, and then we would get 12, and then we would add 1 from that one last piece left to get 13. And what we were just working with were the numerators. Since they were all in fourths, we had 13/4 left. Another way you can look at it is, here's our original mixed number, and what we just did on this side is we did 3 times 4, so our whole number times our denominator, and we got 12, and then we added the 1 numerator to get our final answer of 13/4. Let's look at another example. Let's take 2 3/5, knowing our little shortcut. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to multiply our whole number by our denominator. So 2 times 5, and we'll get 10. And then we're going to add our numerator, which is 3. And we always keep our denominator the same. This always stays the same. So we have 10 plus 3/5. So 10 plus 3 we know is 13. And the denominator stays the same. So we can say 2 3/5 equals 13/5.